Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. On that mode, so I can see a full stream. Let's see. Oh, Serbot. How many seconds are in a year? 12. January 2nd, February 2nd, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I got it. We get it. We get it. Alright. Now, where was I even at? Okay. This is largely, I guess, piped up. Yeah, I'm ready to get piped up. Uh, uh, that's piped up. This isn't fully piped up, but it's ready to get piped up. Ooh, ooh. Let's see. I will want to have like a lower platform though. It's like the move here. That's not the floor I need. Boom, 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 boom. Are we starting off the day with connection issues already? That's crazy. I'm gonna try internet connection again. Oh yeah. Yo. Are we on? Are we actually on? I'm having those weird issues. Alright. What I'm gonna do is have this lower platform here. And I probably should make it a little thicker, just so it's not. Maybe do this. I'm wasting my time with this. Zoop a zoop a zoop. Alright. We're gonna have it right here. Then we're gonna have a water extractor do its thing from down here. Right. Zip zip ah. That's so jiggly. Let's see. I wonder if I can actually line it up with a pipe. Cycle pipes. Direction. There. Okay, yeah, we can. We can, in fact, line this up with a pipe. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Ooh. Yeah, there we go. So how close do we want it? Maybe not too close. About... Maybe about there is a decent distance. Alright, how are we doing? Oh, that's not... That's not, quite lined up. Being honest here, I mean, it's lined up to the center of the whole thing, but not like where the pipe comes out. Let's rework this. Let's try. Cannot be nudged. Kidding me, dude? I'll nudge you. See, that's not quite. It's not quite the center, though. Is it? Doesn't look like it. I don't know. I may just have to, like, deal with it. Alright. I'll leave it an auto. Auto looks fine. Stuff to set up here. Just to have it in a sort of pattern. Can you line up with your buddy over here? Come on, come on. There we go. Alright. Now I've got two lined up. I can, in fact, figure out here, or well, if I want to do here. Alright, yeah, oh, it's good. Okay, it's already not, solid. That works. And then we're gonna want to do a hole in a wall. Sure do love that. Hey, baby. Alright, and then where do we come up? We're gonna come up somewhere up here, obviously. A hole in the floor here-ish. Let's get you looking a little prettier. A little more professional looking. Straight pipe up. Up in that way. Then we're gonna put a little valve, if we can, this way. There we go. That way it does not pump backwards. Alright. What I could do is create a floor here, just for my own convenience. Now, I need this to down here. Do I have the pump abilities here? Not that far. Hopefully. Fingers crossed that works. Okay. We do that. And then we'll do a little bit of this. Oop, that is not the direction I needed to go. There we go. Very, very nice. For additional safety, I probably should do this, maybe? And this. Just to ensure the flow is flowing correctly. Alright. Okay. Now, what I should do next is figure out how to get a connection for power. Now, I could put one here, maybe, and here. Okay. This can connect from back here. You can connect to, well, cleaner. Here. My thing is, there's no power going to it. So I'll need to figure out a way to get it live. Do I connect from over here, or from over that way? That is the question. The $1,000,000 question. Now, it's a simple setup, but it'll work for now. I could just do a temporary connection for now, and then connect it properly in the future. Just to get it up and running. And ensure it's actually operating. These are not, in fact, operating. There is no power. Because I believe that line is cut from my own choices. Indeed it is. Okay. Yeah, I cut it to not make too much more of this stuff, because I don't need any more of it. Let's, connect you from there. And then those should start running. Alright. Let's see. I kind of only really need one of them operating right now. So, turn this one off. Okay. We're getting some pressure. Spike. Flow rate. Okay, this one should be pumping now. Alright. See if it's actually making it at the top. Alright, let's see. It looks like we are getting water. Theoretically. In a very slow flow rate. Okay. That is good, that's good. And I probably should, add another one. Down. So I don't want the water coming up and clogging that stuff. But we're getting water in here, which is good. So that's set up. That's ready to go. I just need to add the sulfur to make the sulfuric acid. Okay. But we're operating. We're just operating that part. Ooh, that was not my intention. And paint this up. Alright. I'll need to do my watering magic later. Once I'm more pleased with the situation. Probably could route it from back here, question mark? Let me see. What do we have on here? do in fact have a hole. I love a good hole. Let's preemptively do a little bit of magic here. Where's the connection points? Right here? Well, that might... let's see. Oh, no, that goes there, but... Maybe if I... It's also going to connect up here, too. There. Cool, cool. Hey, Hardy. Heart by hearts? Hardy hearts? Yes. Missed me. I've only been gone, what, 24 hours? Oh. Just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do here. My wiring situation. So I want to make it look at least somewhat decent. At least to start. But not much room to get the wires where I originally have them. Maybe if I were to, I don't know, up here? Let's see. Right here. Then go there. Then it could go right over question mark here-ish. Now I'm not having super long lines. Alright. Just trying to, like, see if I can get close to finishing this design. Well, this section. Right now I'm just trying to... I mean, I got the water section running, so we got water pumping. But I don't have anything else set up yet. Like, other than that, it's just the typical usual. Gem and other such and such errands. That's better. Alright, yeah, I think that'll work. I can totally connect this from in here. Hi. You doing anything fun today? There we go. Right there. And that should connect to all of that, which all currently has nothing in there to operate, but it is technically powered. It's just on standby now. Wait. I wonder if I can run another line over here. Very carefully. Okay. It's a little surgery here. Steal one of these. Double wall outlet here. All around you to there. It splits up and down. Then we're gonna there we go. Swoop that down. All right. Oh, no, that's not what I want. I have to get down there. Or wait, no. Down here. Can you reach without crossing over? I mean, no one's gonna see this. Magic of things no one ever sees. Wire's too long. Okay. There we go. Nice. I love hidden mechanics. Alright. Back up here. Heal us up. Cover this side. Then I can disconnect from over here. And it should still be powered. There we go. Alright. We got it properly wired. It just needs some inputs. No. Can I have some proper inputs here? I mean, right now, I could... Well, I probably should delete all of this. Collect all these sulfurs I don't need. If anything, this is a good excuse to get rid of this. Oop, nope. Get rid of this stuff. There we go. Nice. Enfield? No. It's Satisfactory. What's my favorite game? Oh, that's a difficult one. I always lump my favorites into different categories. But, delete this. Log on? Yeah. Cool, 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 cool. But I would say definitely my growing up was The Sims. I played an excessive amount of hours on that. Along with, I got really into Halo in the middle of high school. And, oh yeah, and Portal. The Portal series I really liked. Oh yeah, and Fable. I did really like Fable. Another game I'm thinking of. Oh, Mass Effect. I really got into Mass Effect also. Well, like, space, sci-fi stuff. Having your own little ship. Producing? It isn't producing. Yay. Okay, so those works. That's working. Good, good, good. Got 2 inputs functioning. I have to get rid of all that extra gup all in the middle of the lake. Alright, alright. How am I doing today? I'm doing pretty good. I woke up a bit late. Not such a great sleep, if I'm being honest. But, I'm doing a lot better now. I don't know what it was. I think I was just, like, up late. I was playing, RimWorld pretty late. I was considering streaming, but then I was like, this isn't really like a streaming game. It's more of a me obsessing over... Oh. Wait. What's trying to eat me? I am low on ammo, so bad time to be dealing with monsters. Speaking of, I probably should go get more ammo. Able to get up there without pumps? That's my question. Does not look like it. Huh. Yeah, it's not going up high. We'll see. I try not to. But I tend to be up pretty late. I'm trying to set a strict 10 p.m. bedtime for myself, but that's very hit or miss. How do I make weapon? It's through the equipment workshop. Alright. Rifle ammo. Gotta be careful, I'm running out. Oh, thanks for the follow. Fail. What I'm looking for. Oh yeah, getting rid of this stupid thing. I really hate having the chainsaw. Also, I need to go back to the regular fuel, because stupid solid fuel is just, like, annoying. Where's package fuel? Get out more of that. I have my Celia for some reason. Let's see if I can throw that away. Oh, I can throw a slug. You're one of my, wait, I'm one of your favorites. Oh, thank you. I was, my reading comprehension skills were failing for a second. That's how you know I didn't sleep well. I appreciate it. Do you play a lot of games like this? What do you play? Oh no, something's going after me. Oh, oh. Hello. This is the ragdoll of it all. Oh, more of them. The big boy. Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on. Ooh. Gonna really launch me. There we go. Lost him. Oh, there he is. God. He's not dead yet. If it's... Is he? Is he? Oh, he is dead. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, those are great games. I need to get back into Hogwarts. I need to finish it. I started a while ago, and then I don't know, I just got, like, distracted. I was playing it on... Was I playing on Switch? No, I was playing on Xbox. That was back when I was doing my Xbox gaming. Do I need to delete this all the way? Not really. Let's just get upstairs and work on this mine to make it less ugly. But what house did you end up being? Any more toxic stuffs? Okay. There we go. Blow that up. We don't need no trees up here. Trees are dumb. Boom. Hey. Alright. Okay. This boy. Then up. It's a better height situation. Oh, something's going after me. How dare you? How rude. Where did they even come from? There's 3 of them. Okay, come on. Yeah. You're all mad and angry. There we go. Yippee-ki-yay. Alright. Let's... Oh, I need to know those things. Workshop. There we go. Production. Miner. There we go. let's get this painted up a little bit. Give it a nice little dark tint. Give you a little blue tint. Oh yeah, puppies are barking. Alright. Put nice pretty railing. Give that an unpainted look. Alright. Now, ideally, I would have an elevator here. So, let's shoot for that. Who knows where that landed? Alright. Oh, come on. Come on. What's the best way to get this downstairs? Straightforward. Build a shaft right about here, yes. I could build a shaft right about there. What I could do is something along the lines of bricks walls. Put a little doorway here. And then a conveyor there. And we're gonna go with concrete. Colored. Painted here. A more industrial look. Go. All right. Good morning, Pevneb. How are you doing? Change material to grippy metal. Grippy socks metal. Very, very nice. This to go here. There we go. I'm good myself. Just chilling here. Trying to finally finish my conveyor line. Let's too fancy. Honeycomb. Maybe honeycomb. There we go. I think this might be almost where we need it. So if I put that there, then it should just go down like that. Go. And we're gonna give this a nice blue tint. Alright. Now, where is the elevator? H. Okay. Only issue is I don't know how far down that thing can actually go as far as structure. But I guess I can just, well, I'll probably want to see how far it goes down first, before I commit to an elevator position. Where is that? Maybe right there. That. Let's see. Is that in the right position though? Is that able to, like, is it facing it? Yeah, looks like it. All right, that works. Blue, make that blue. Let me change this to that. Change the color to unpainted. All right. Now, get rid of trees. They're in my way. Ooh, ooh, blew myself up. All right. I think maybe that could be the. Put this here. Right. And I'll connect it later. This one down. All right. Miser, materials, concrete. All right. think right here's fine for. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So I think it's decent, at least initial setup here. Connecting this to, oh well, it's right below me. Ooh. Nope. Nope. That is not the correct mode. I'm gonna zoopy zoop. Hide the magic, or lack thereof. Not that tall, but whatever. Okay. I mean, this can connect. I guess here. Outlet. Double wall outlet. And it's not the prettiest, but it's not meant to be seen by anybody. Okay, there we go. Next, we need logistics. Go. Need that, need that. Alright. Let's go directly to there, all the way down there. Railing here. And then we're elevator. Each go. Awesome. Power. Alright, that will connect there. So if you have power, it'll just work. Now we just need to make this cross this area effectively. I'll leave the scaffolding there for now. Just to, like, have it. But I will need to eventually remove it, but... or replace it. Either or. Let's get new 2-meter foundation. Alright, customize it. Nope. Concrete. And unpainted. Make sure I'm good on time. What is this and this? There we go. That way. Wait. I almost forgot. I want to have this do that thing. There we go. Come on, come on. Your buddy down there. Wait. 2. Let's go. Yeah, 10. Yeah, 10 works. And because what that would be 10 past that one. So then what, 12? Or should I do 10 including that one? Let's see. 10. Questions, design questions. What is the best choice here? Oof, oof, oof. What is my design guideline for this? Right now it should be at 11, right? Including this one. Not including that. Right. Yeah, 11. So I cut one short at the end and make it one of these. That'll be different. Or that'll, I guess, even out-ish. I don't know. Nope, not that. Foundation 4. Cool. R vertical. There we go. I can put the fancy stuff on there later. Just get stuff to where it needs to go. Boom. Oh no, flying away. Let's be effective designers. Nope. Stop. There. Need a zoop, not that. 10. There we go. Makes it easier on the counting. I would need to make a turn here, though. That's the only thing. Vertical. I mean, turn's not a problem. In fact, I was going to need to anyway, but I am curious how I'm gonna beautifully connect that to structure. Yeah. And okay. That's a lot better than what it was before, which was just random garbage in the forest. Vertical. And it is taller than I expected. But at least not going through the jungle anymore. Where's that? Let's, soup, baby. How far away is this? Not quite 10. But I could probably get away with it. Or, well. Let's see. Where's the frame? Oop, nope. Vertical. Not vertical, I want soupy zoops. Not that kind of soupy zoops. There we go. No, no. How do I... Hey, Fatal. What's up? Just seeing your chat there. Not sure if you saw that now or earlier. Oh, yeah. Huh. If I connect this properly, make it look nice. I guess I can make a ramp. Won't be that pretty though. say. There we go. Foundations. Yeah, but I don't really have like a stairs on this side anyway, so I figure might as well do a ramp. Do I have an inverse of those? Nope. I don't think so. So I did this. That's not exactly what I'm looking for. These. All right. Uh-huh. How can I make this a little prettier for action? Well, first off, this is not necessary anymore. What do I have for options? We have these things, which that one's too tall. That one's way too tall. It's too short. Maybe something along the lines like this. Or, hmm. How would that look? Not what I thought it was gonna look like. Not the energy I thought I was gonna go for. Maybe not. The other way, I feel like I need to have this go a little bit further. Alright. Then we're gonna do... this. This triangle round. Let's see. Okay, yeah. It's a little better. Makes it not too much of a hard edge. Get rid of this tree. Alright. I mean, theoretically, it could just expand this thing further. Choices, choices. I could just had it go out. Oh. Maybe like that, so that it's like, I guess, more cohesive with the shape here. Obviously, still need to work with stuff here, but house cleaning. Come on. I'll clean up the rest later. Okay, okay. Feel like this will work a lot better. Unpainted. And copy a couple of these around. Then I can add more as needed when it doesn't, it's too far. Basically connecting a sulfur mine to what will eventually be a battery addition to my factory. Wrong thing. Let's see, how's that look? Not too bad. Let's see, how far can we go? Here, okay. Go. Very nice, very nice. No rival today, not today. Maybe later though. I was taking a little bit of break from rivals. I want to get my creative flow again. Oh yeah, they got people elevators. It's a game now. Come on, come on. There we go. You can't see me? Okay, I can turn on the camera in a second. Let me just get this. This connected here. How messy is my room? Let me see. Let me see how messy everything is before I turn the camera on. think it's fine enough as it is. Let's see, where's my... Bit of a messy bed today. Alright, what was that? Oh yeah, here. But hopefully I should be back on Rivals soon-ish. Not like soonish in like an hour or so, but like soonish doesn't today-ish. Probably later tonight. But I need something like, I don't know, calm to play. Because Rivals was getting a bit heavy. Jeff does miss me, I know. Just that, it was just that like, competitive was kind of getting to me, and I was like, this is stressful. I need a little bit of a break. Closer, actually. This is Satisfactory. You get to design a factory on an alien planet. It's a lot like Subnautica. But as much of a less of a environmental message, they kind of are like, just destroy the environment all you want. That's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Oh no, it's too long. Seriously? No, wait, okay, there we go. There we go. Nice, nice. It's definitely a game for someone who really likes to design stuff. And especially if you're civil or industrial engineer. Someone who enjoys organizing conveyor lines and power systems. I would need to be on the left, right, left. Oh, and I need these. Let's soup some of this. Trying to hit my engineering and design brain all at once. Yeah. Don't need to go all the way there yet, but let's see about how far I can send a wire. Okay, let's say about here is good enough. I need you to not be ugly colored. Wire too long? Seriously? Let's put you about here. And it's still gonna go back to the ugly color. Yeah, I was doing competitive, but it was getting exhausting. It's just a bit too aggro for me right now. I need something chill. I think still either silver 2 or 3. One of those two. Maybe I just crossed into 3. Yeah, it's a lot easier to talk when you're not being shot at. That's kind of why I like playing these games a bit more, is it's easier just to have a conversation with someone. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. All connected. Let's get the power actually connected this time. Okay. Or should I put it over here? Let's... You there. You. And connect you over here. Nice, nice, nice. I've had the snake plant probably at least a year, I think. I got in my last apartment, so it's been a good minute. But it's too long here. Too long, too long, too... Okay, there's the limit. Super close. Say about here for now, at least for temporary connection. It's been alive. Hey, I've only killed all my other plants. This is the only one that survived. And in theory, it should be operating. Let's see. Indirect sunlight. Yeah, I'll need to open a window at some point in this room. Since moving here, I have not opened any windows. Getting flow of materials. And that means I can delete this staircase from the original one. Okay, very, very nice. Let's see. Elevator, elevator. Let's go. There we go. Alright. 60 per minute, not bad. Okay. I live in darkness constantly here. This is why I'm so pale. Love that. No, I don't want to. Oh, floor stop. What other thing? I just want to grow it up so it looks a little taller. And actually, not just a height here. There we go. It doesn't need to go to height, but it's for aesthetics. Alright, I think there's a whole thing up here I need to, like, maybe attach power to or something. I don't know. Let me make sure I have a weapon. There's a good chance I'll need it. Yep, some critters. Yep, where'd he go? You can't get me from over here, huh? But headbutt me off the cliff. Is he dead? Are there any more buddies here? Ergopod. Repairs needed. It needs quartz crystal. Do I have quartz crystal? I do in fact have quartz crystal. Hey, baby. I mean, there's plants all around the planet, if that's what you mean. Although I am kind of destroying the environment the more I'm here. Is there any more crash shuttle parts on the ground other than this big one? I don't see it. Okay, I'm safe. It's probably over here and probably grab some of them. I mean, I have the ladder, so I must have been already over here. And I don't need this anymore. There we go. But you can't really do any farming here, if that's what you're asking. You do the opposite of farming. A lot of manufacturing. Like futuristic colonialism, basically. Basically. I'm colonizing this planet. Well, less colonizing, more harvesting resources. Although they're really different. Those balloons, some kind of weird plant alien tree thing. I'm not gonna blow them up. That one didn't blow up. Oh, how's that going up? Come on. That one's just invincible for some reason. Maybe this one over here? Yep, there you go. And just floats up. You can't hear me. No! Also, I think one of the reasons why I turned off the cameras, I think there's like an issue. Someone said there's a delay to the audio. back. Wow. You missed so much. Yes. Yeah. I'll need to try to figure out what's wrong with the camera. Check play with the settings later. But otherwise, everything seems to be fine. Power line need this to go here, maybe. There we go. Dang. Do not know what to do about that. Alright. Got sulfuric acid being made. How much does it consume in a minute? 50, okay. So I may want to upgrade the production down there, but that's a problem for later. I just need stuff to be connected for now. Huh. How do I... Oh. Didn't take over my account, hey. Yes, it's still me. It's gonna work on there. My support's not working either. That's annoying. Alright. Let me see about connecting from upstairs. That's what Nailing say. Alright. Alright. We have... I believe this is a Lumina solution. Yes. Lumina buffer. Which is pumping out this way, question mark? And right, it's out. Okay, this pushes out alumina, consumes alumina, and then goes in the buffer, then goes down that way, but I kind of wanted to split out another way. Over here, maybe? I don't know. Let's see what's going on downstairs. Oh, lots of pipes. Let's see. Could I that way? No, not really. What if I routed it this way, yeah, this way? That is indeed a coffee. Could route it this way. Let's try that. Any critters down here to bite me? Hope not. I need a pipe hole in a wall here. I need a wall support. Get this guy downstairs. Get this guy down here. Wait. That is indeed my name. I know, shocking. Who would decide to spell it that way? Absolute heathens. I guess I could probably freeform it. Better not be some critters out here. I do not want to deal with a spider. Thank you. About here? Question mark? Might be good enough there. How's the right about here? I think that would work. And that looks. Ooh, that looks ugly. That's a weird shape. Get a semi-normal shape. That kind of works. Okay. uh, people just call me Salino. I mean, not many people give me nicknames. Very small handful. Oh. How's that look? Okay, that looks decent. Have that for now. Could look prettier, but only so much. I mean, some people do call me Celine, but not many. I'm not very picky on it. Kind of just call me whatever you want. Nope, nope. Here, grab you here. Alright, and then we'll do I'm worried about the flow though, so we'll see if that works out. No, you're fine. Probably gonna empty it out a ton. I'll put a flow thing here for now, and I won't set it to anything. I'm gonna leave the floor open too to come back here and maintenance it. Okay. That'll all flow down there. This is probably gonna drain this whole thing. Yeah, the drain rate's gonna be crazy as it fills up those pipes. The final challenge is just connecting the aluminum casings. Ooh, what time is it? Let's see. I do have to be somewhere later today. What time is that? I have a 2 p.m. appointment. So that means if I want to go to the gym, I should do that approximately-ish now-ish. Who made the drawing? Oh, you're in question mode. No, you're fine. So the drawing was made by Radical Maxton on Instagram. It was a commission I bought, I think, during COVID. It is, I want to say it's a really good game to really get you into a more productive mood. Go to here and come up from above. Move them further down. Let's go here, okay. I'm gonna get stronger. Yeah, well, I'm trying to lose weight also. I want to finally get under 20% body fat, and that is very difficult. This is not the machine I want. What's asleep? Ugh. Right. This one goes here, which then goes down there. Stairs. Which, oh god. Okay, trapped. Okay. I'm so lost. Okay. That goes there, which split into there. Gotcha, gotcha. Oh, and I could split it again. Well, let's see. Jump downstairs. Not all the way down. Almost all the way down. Oh, this song. It's the sleepy song. Let's skip to something a little less. Actually, let's go to another song. Another video. There we go. It's a little nicer. Yeah, it's a crazy complicated game. There's so much you have to do to make it, like, function. Ooh, that's gonna be a problem for me later, but I will have to figure that out another time. Ooh, that's the wrong conveyor. That's the wrong elevator. Ooh, I am... Is it gonna change colors, or is it gonna stay? No, it's gonna change colors. Okay. Blue. Then we're gonna mark 5 belts here. Oh, it's... Alright, well, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Which one's in, which one's out? Oh, that one's out. Straight, curve. Alright. It's gonna go there. It takes a lot of getting used to this game to understand how it works and to really... There's like taking small sections of it at a time to try to like finish it over a period of time rather than just like throwing it away because you don't want to deal with like a mountain of work. There we go. And that could also use upgrade. Bum, bum, bum. Ah, I can't see. Grab that. There we go. Alright, alright. Now we have materials actually going where they need to go. I will give that plant something. I will give it something. I will also have my energy drink and we'll head out shortly. Let me just my thing here is I need to see that everything is at least functioning before I run out. I want to know that my math was right, my connections were correct, my power is actually powering. Let's see. Okay, those are going there. It looks like it's accepting materials. Alright. And batteries are being made. Hey, baby. Connected to nothing, but they're on a conveyor line. using a small amount of water, but it's good. Oh, man. I'm just glad this ordeal is finally done, because then I can start using drones. This is all just to get drones to work, because I needed batteries to power the drones. And now I have it. And now I can have my drones deliver all my goods across the entire map. Boy. All this work just for some batteries. Truly crazy. This game really gets you doing a lot for very little. Hey, it's functioning, it's producing stuff. That's all I can ask for right now. It's probably not even efficient, like the efficiency's probably not great, but it's working. And that's all I that's all I need for right now. Oh, actually, probably, well, I don't know if I could try it out, but not really. Because I only have one drone thing. Can I even make another drone stop thingy? Transport. Drone port. Can make another one. Could try testing it out, I guess. Just to see if it works correctly. Do have... I don't need another thing for that. Alright, see ya. Yeah, I think I'm gonna check out too. I've done enough work here. I've done 2 hours of work. I need to go to the gym before I run out of time. Oi. See ya.